Hi, my name is Rossybelle Amorrortu, and I'm a research project manager at Moffitt Cancer Center in the Department of Cancer Epidemiology. And today I'm speaking to you from the AACR 2023 annual meeting in Orlando, Florida. And I'd like to share the results of our work from a literature review study that we did to identify approaches to estimate real-world disease progression in lung cancer. Now, this topic is important because really, cancer progression information is not readily available in a structured format outside of randomized clinical trials. In clinical trials, this information is typically captured using the RECIST criteria, which is a very standardized criteria that's captured in a very systematic and precise way. But when you're thinking of real-world data, that's not typically available. So we wanted to delve into the literature to see what approaches had been identified to estimate cancer progression. So what we found as a result of our literature search is 5 methods, and these included manual abstraction, treatment changes, natural language processing, tumor volume, and radiomics. And now if you move on to table 2 over here, these are just some sample definitions of how the studies defined progression using the different methods. And really what we found, like the takeaway message here, was that there was a lot of variability even within each method. So it was really hard to kind of compare methods even within each one. As a next point, in figure 2, we tried to see what studies included a comparison group or a gold standard on which to measure the accuracy of the approach. And that was another gap in the literature that we identified. So of the 40 studies we reviewed, only 27 included some kind of a comparison group. And as you can see at the bottom of the graph, they were compared to various things. So it was really difficult to determine what method kind of works best. And in table 2, we have just advantages and disadvantages of each method. No one method is perfect. We weren't able to really conclude that an investigator should use one method over the other. Instead, our conclusions are about the need to come to consensus for a gold standard on which to conduct this type of research, and also the need for a study to look at various of these methods in one patient population, and that's actually what we're proposing to do at Moffitt next.